Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invite link. So see for example, a host sent you an invite link using Facebook or Messenger, and then how you can join the meeting. All you have to do is to click on that link. So for example, I am the host, all right, and then I have scheduled this meeting. So I'm just going to click on the share option. All right. So I have now the links. I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay. Then once you receive the meeting link, all you have to do is to simply click on it. That's right. And then here you'll be able to see this option. All right. So I'm just going to continue on this browser. You just have to simply click on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, you'll be able to see here now the meeting. All right, so you just have to allow the microphone of your laptop and your camera. And then after that, just click on the join now option. So you just have to type out right here your name. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.